Okay, so have we checked? Do we agree? Have we checked our answers? Everybody agree? Everybody agree? Okay, so what did we say for this one? Yeah, it's 2140 hours. It's 2140 hours. What time is it? 0520 hours. Yeah, it's 0520 hours. Yes. What's the time? 0100. Yes, it's 0100 hours. 0100 hours. What's the time?
2040 hours.
Again?
2040 hours.
Yeah, it's 2040 hours. Yeah, we say it's 2040 hours. Yeah, if somebody says to you, "What's the time?" or "What time is it?" Yeah, we normally start by saying it's 2040 hours. Yeah, we normally say it's. We start by saying it's 2040 hours. What's the time?
It's 1940 hours.
Again?
It's 1940 hours.
Yeah, it's 1940 hours. Yes, 1940 hours. What's the time?
It's 0 to 20 hours.
Yes, it's 0 to 20 hours. Yeah, it's 0 to 20 hours. What's the time?
It's 2100 hours.
Yeah, it's 2100. It's 2100 hours. Hours, yeah. 2100 hours. What's the time?
0440 hours.
Yes, it's 0440 hours. Yeah, it's 0440 hours. And the last one, what's the time?
It's 0400 hours.
Yeah, it's 0400. Yeah, it's 0400 hours. Yeah, 0400 hours. Okay, good. So we've done, this is darkness, yeah? This is darkness, yeah, night, darkness, and daylight, daylight. Okay, so let's look at the answers. Let's look at the answers. So what did we say for, what's the time?
It's 0940 hours.
Yeah, it's 0940 hours, hours, yes. What time is it?
It's 1720 hours.
It's 1720 hours, yes. Why? Because it's daylight, yeah? Yeah, daylight. The darkness, yeah? It's before darkness, yeah? Before darkness, so it's the daylight. What's the time?
It's 1300 hours.
Yeah, it's 1300 hours. 1300 hours. What's the time?
It's 0840 hours.
Yeah, it's 0840 hours. 0840 hours. What's the time?
It's 0740 hours.
It's 0740 hours. Yes, good. 0740 hours. What's the time?
It's 1420 hours.
Yeah, it's 1420 hours. It's 1420 hours. What's the time?
It's 0900 hours.
Again?
Is 0900 hours.
Yes, it's 0900 hours. 0900 hours. What time is it?
Is 1640 hours.
It's 1640 hours. It's 1640 hours. Can we say that again? It's
1640 hours.
good, good. And the last one, what's the time?
Is 1600 hours.
Yeah, it's 1600 hours. It's 1600 hours. Good. Okay, next I want to talk about time again, because time is so important in the English language. And if we can understand more about time, you will understand the English language. So we say time flies. Time flies, yeah? And it means time moves so quickly, yeah? Time moves so quickly. And because of time, our language changes too. So the English language changes according to time. So we say time flies. Yeah, we say time flies. Time is moving all the time, yeah? It's moving all the time. It's moving by the second, yeah? It's moving by the second. So now is not now. Now is not now, because time is moving. Yeah? Now is in the past, because the second hand on the clock is moving. So we must remember that now is changing very quickly. Everybody agree? Yes, good. Because it's so important when we use English language. If we understand about time, we will understand the English language much better. And to help us understand the English language better, we use timelines. Yeah? Timelines. Now, timelines are a line representing time, and we say it's in a chronological sequence of events. Okay? Don't worry about the words. Don't worry about the words. But if we can understand the meaning, then we'll understand about timelines. So this is a timeline, yeah? So we have the beginning and the end of a timeline. So what is this? What do we think this is? Yeah, the center, yeah, or it's now. Yeah, now. It's now, yeah? But now is moving, yeah? It now is moving. So what do we call the time before now? The past, yes. We call it the past. Yeah? And when we use English language, yeah, it has a meaning. The past has a meaning in everything we say. So if now is now and before now is the past, what is this? Yeah, it's the future. Yeah, it's the future. It's called the future. So we start a long time ago. A long time ago. Yeah? So on a timeline, a long time ago is at the beginning, and it's in the past. It's in the past. When we say some time ago, it's closer to now. It's not a long time ago, it's some time ago. Closer to now again is in the near past or lately. So if we say, oh, lately I've been feeling sick. Lately I've been feeling sick. It means quite close to now, yeah? It could be today, yeah? It could be yesterday, yeah? So in the near past or lately means today or yesterday or even this week, at this week. Even closer to now, just happened. Okay, just happened. Example, we just had our tea break. We just had our tea break. So we start with a long time ago, starting to get closer to now, yeah? So we say a long time ago, some time ago, in the near past or lately. Just happened, yeah? Just happened. Now. So we're talking about the future next, yeah? We're talking about the future. We say presently or very soon. Presently or very soon. So we're actually moving away now. We're actually moving away from now. And we say in a while, yeah? In a while or in the short term. And we're moving even further into the future. Yeah, we're moving away. We're moving away from now. We say in the medium term. In the medium term. Okay, so what do we think? What do we think goes here? A long time ago. In the long term, yes. Good. Good. In the long term. So this is what we call a timeline. And timelines are very useful in many things that we do. Example, in the future. Yeah? We have plans, we have schedules. Yeah, we have calendars. Huh? Patitin? Calendars? Yeah? Yeah? We have diaries for planning. We have project plans or predictions. Yeah? So the future is very useful for us when we're planning. And in the past, we have history, yeah, history, historical records. We have a history teacher, yeah. Somebody teaches Thai history. Who teaches Thai history? Thai history teacher, yeah. In the past, yeah, you teach Thai history, yeah.
Yes.
The past is very important for you, yeah, to understand what happened in the past. Report, yeah, when we write the report about the student, yeah, we look back at the past. We look at what has been done, yeah, and when. Okay, so timelines, if we can understand and learn about timelines. Okay, we already know about these, yeah? Seconds, minutes and hours, yeah? Today we learnt how to tell the time. Days, weeks, months, years, yeah? Timelines will help us understand about days, weeks, months and years. Timelines will help us understand the meaning of these words before. Yeah? We think of the word and we think of a timeline. It's easy to understand. Before, after, within, when, while, until. And timelines will help us to understand verb tenses. So when we learn about verbs, doing words, timelines will help us to know what verb to use, what is the correct verb in English. So, when we learn more next time, when we come next time, we'll learn more about these words, and I'll use timelines to help you understand how to use the words. Okay, next time.